Hello, Rene. Hello, Francis. I wanted to talk to you later. You tell me about a good move I heard you made regarding collaboration between teams and also within the framework of the Skills Development Modernization Project, the NDC project we are deploying. I heard that Francis used the augmented reality headset. I would like you to tell me a bit more about that.
In the end, the situation that presented itself to us is that I have equipment at the Albanel station in the James Bay area, which is a CIC. It was down. We spent a good part of the morning trying to solve the problem remotely. I also brought in one of my colleagues, Brian Dubé from Quebec. He has more knowledge about this equipment than I do. We went over the entire issue again with Francis remotely. Brian and I would like to see what Francis sees through the NDC program. He deployed augmented reality glasses. We said, Nutty, here's the opportunity to use them. We asked Francis to bring them. That way, Brian and I could see exactly what Francis was seeing.
The augmented reality glasses there, it's really like I'm lending my eyes to Renee to my support. It's a great tool for getting support quickly.
After that, Brian and I were able to guide Francis in his tasks. Then Brian noticed it, which had a small LED, really not big. It was a small green LED on the programmable controller that was missing for one of the modules. Thanks to the augmented reality glasses, of course, we were able to see that little light there. Otherwise, we were at the end of our resources, ultimately. It's a very nice tool in the sense that we're present while being at a distance. They are based in the Beijing area, in Namisco. And the boss, Albanel, was a few hours from the Emisco. Brian was based in Quebec. Physically, I am based in the city of Val d'Or. I was 4 hours by plane from Example in France. A trip to the James Bay area involves a lot of organization. It entails a lot of costs and management to travel like that if we hadn't had the augmented reality glasses. We don't want that being a single parent. I take care of my boy 80% of the time. It's a lot to manage for babysitting, calling someone, while with the augmented reality glasses, it doesn't affect my daily schedule at all. We're able to get expertise from everywhere to reach a consensus and to be all connected in the same place and see the intervention all at the same time. In our line of work, we have no choice but to always work as a team. Often we just need a small idea. When there are 3 or 4 of us together, we take a short break and then new ideas come out.
Renee really saw through the glasses. And it was nice to have his support and his knowledge with us.
When it is an intervention related to software, related to documentation, screen sharing is exceptional, it's perfect. Where the headset adds a big advantage is when you need to see the technician's environment, to see the components, to see the readings.
Thank you very much, guys, for the great example of collaboration. Several business groups have joined efforts, working together, the expertise people in the GYS group, the maintenance operations people in the Geek group, then the collaborators and the partners from the ADDC, the IT who implemented this project with us. So it's a great example of collaboration and a great effort on your part. So thank you very much.
Perfect. Thank you. Thank you.